What is up, guys? I'm here with Nick, and we're doing some photography, and he's got his drone, and we're at Spring Lake Park. It's gonna be dope. I'm gonna set up a time lapse on my phone, and I'll play it right now for you guys. Nick's got his drone flying in the air right now. He's got a kind of a cool hyperlapse going, and then what is it, like video clips and stuff?
Yeah, we're just screwing around the settings here.
Nice. And then I got my camera right on that thingy, just recording a time lapse because my DSLR doesn't do time lapses. It's pretty cool out right now. It's cool. Drone's coming in hot. And then here are some pictures from day one for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy them. By the way, the time lapse was shot raw, and I did not do any color grading. Alright guys, on day 2, me and Nick went to Minnehaha Falls. The audio quality on my DSLR is really bad, and it doesn't have an external mic input, so I'm just commentating now after the fact, and basically we expected it to be way cooler than it actually was. We went a little bit too early into the winter, so we'll probably be going back again, but I hope you guys enjoy the photos, and yeah, this is it for day 2. Hey guys, quick interruption. I wanted to give a shout out to Nick for supplying me with this footage from his drone. It's awesome, and yeah, I'm very thankful for it. So yeah, go check him out and give him a follow on Instagram for sure, at Nick_Bischel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Time to go through the tunnel. Got his dope exhaust. Ooh. Damn, dude, that was sick. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you want more, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, comment whatever you guys want to see next. I'm going to try to post weekly vlogs, and this is number 1. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.